this is a second sewing journal I made. And this one also has ribbon ties, and I've got some little charms on the side. I have a little pair of scissors, a hanger, a spool of thread. These are the same charms that are on the previous one. Little button and a little iron. And then I also have the removable bookmark with a sewing machine and another pair of scissors and a little bead. So also this one removes from the corner, so you can use it inside your journal or inside another book. And the back is plain. You can always stick a little label on there if you wanted to put a date or a title. And here's the inside cover. So it's constructed pretty much like the other one, so I'm just going to go through it fairly quickly just to show the different images. This one has more of a vintagey feel to it, so I tried to incorporate as much as possible some designs from the same Vogue catalog. And this one here is an original 1957 design. So they're beautiful dresses. And again, these are the images that I had purchased for the sewing journal. Here I have a little dress in the doily. Again, my tea-stained papers, and I had this scrapbook paper that was sewing themed, so that was perfect. And again, this image, and there's a photocopy of my measuring tape, the pocket, and I did a lot of fussy cutting in this one. I attached little images of dresses here and there. A tuck spot. And this is one of those envelopes that I just covered with scrapbook paper, and I put a tag in there so you can journal on the back. Or you can also fit a tag in here that has an image on it, and you can see it through the clear plastic. Original 1954 design. This is some parchment paper. There's another little dress that I fussy cut. Beautiful bride. And this one has a little sewing machine charm, and there's another picture of a sewing machine. This envelope has body measurements. So I just tucked that in there. I found that in the Vogue catalog. This paper is very beautiful. The journal template that I purchased. Here's another tag. So you could put photos of items that you've done or designed yourself. I love these old sewing machines. little tuck spot. And some more fussy cutting. So the images are very similar to the one in the other albums, except for the pictures of the dresses, which, like I said, tend to be more vintage than haute couture, which was a theme of the other sewing journal. There's another pocket. And that's it for this one. So I will include a link to it in my Etsy shop if anybody's interested in purchasing this journal. Have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye.